5-minute journaling for clarity. Unlock daily focus and mental reset fast. To be fair, our minds feel like 20 browser tabs open, half frozen, some playing music, and one screaming, "Remember that thing from 2009?" Welcome to 5-minute journaling for clarity, your daily guide to rebooting your mental hard drive, one scribbled sentence at a time. In this audiobook, we'll explore how 5 minutes, just 5, can give you the clarity, focus, and peace you've been chasing with 3 cups of coffee and a scroll through social media. Stick around, because we're about to turn your messy thoughts into gold. No meditation app required. Section 1. The chaos we call a mind. Ever feel like your brain has too many tabs open and none are labeled? You wake up groggy, reach for your phone, and suddenly it's 45 minutes later, and you're doom-scrolling news about people you'll never meet. Sound familiar? We live in a world where mental fog is the default setting. There's constant noise, pressure to be productive, and never enough space to think. That's why 5-minute journaling for clarity isn't just a cute idea, it's survival. This isn't about becoming a journal-obsessed monk. It's about reclaiming 5 tiny minutes to check in with yourself, without judgment, without fluff. Section 2. Why 5 minutes is magic. You might be thinking, what can I possibly accomplish in 5 minutes? Let me flip the question. What aren't you accomplishing because your mind is stuck in a fog? 5 minutes of focused journaling acts like a daily defrag for your mental drive. You don't need poetic skills or calligraphy pens. You need a pen, a notebook, and the willingness to show up. Half asleep and coffee-stained counts. When done consistently, 5-minute journaling leads to improved focus, emotional clarity, better decision-making, reduced overthinking. It's like brushing your teeth, but for your thoughts, and hopefully less minty. Section 3. The real pain points. Let's talk about what's stopping you. I don't have time. You have time to check Instagram. You have time for this. I don't know what to write. We'll fix that with simple, powerful prompts. I've tried journaling before and it didn't stick. But was it optimized for real life or someone else's perfect morning routine? This audiobook isn't about journaling to be impressive. It's journaling to feel sane. That's our angle. We're not selling productivity porn. We're offering 5 minutes of peace. Section 4. The daily method with humor and flow. Now let's dive into your 5-minute daily reflection. You can do this right after you wake up, before bed, or on your lunch break, hiding from coworkers. Minute 1. The mental dump. Ask, what's on my mind right now? Write down the clutter. No filter. Angry thoughts, silly dreams, forgotten tasks. Dump it all. Minute 2. Emotional check-in. Ask, how do I feel right now? 1 sentence. Be honest. Annoyed because my sock slipped into my shoe counts. The goal? Acknowledge without fixing. Minute 3. Clarity prompt. Ask, what do I need most today? This is the gold mine. Whether it's focus, patience, hydration, or just not losing it on that one coworker, name it. Minute 4. Gratitude anchor. Ask, what is one thing I appreciate right now? Big or small, your pet's weird sneeze, hot coffee, a deep breath. Gratitude grounds us. Minute 5. Intentional action. Ask, what is one thing I will do today to help myself? 1 micro step. Drink water. Say no. Take a walk. Tiny hinges swing big doors. You see? That's 5-minute journaling for clarity in action. Simple, practical, repeatable. Section 5. Make it stick, even if you're forgetful. Here's the trick. Don't aim for perfect. Aim for consistency. Put your notebook on your pillow. Leave it in the kitchen. Set a timer. Pair it with brushing your teeth. Again, mental hygiene. Miss a day? Laugh it off. This isn't about streaks. It's about self-respect. You're not doing this to become someone else. You're doing it to meet yourself daily. Final reflection. 5-minute journaling for clarity isn't a miracle pill, but it's a habit that, when done consistently, can change how you show up for your life. 5 minutes, one pen, one truth at a time. And who knows, maybe those browser tabs will finally close, or at least stop playing music at random. Thanks for listening. Now grab that notebook and give your thoughts a place to breathe.